This is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. The first order of business is to launch settings, then enter the Wi-Fi category, connect your phone to Wi-Fi network you wanted to share, open its app or about this network page, then tap at the share option, and as you can see, the following pop-up window reveals the Wi-Fi password right over here, so you can manually connect any other device to it, but it also provides you with a very convenient QR code that you can just scan with any other device as well, and the aforementioned device will be automatically and conveniently connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.